Here in the I button and in description box below, you will get complete playlist of discrete mathematics. Welcome to video number 14, and in this video we are going to see some key points that are used while solving problems on set theory. Okay, very important points. So before I move into this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something from my videos, then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this chapter with your friends. Okay, do share the playlist of this discrete mathematics with your friends. In this way only you are going to support me. Okay, and I really need your support, so please help me. So let us start. First key point. Before starting these key points, you must know there are two conjunctions, or and. Okay, you must be knowing where to use conjunction or and where to use conjunction and. Okay, yes, if you don't use this properly, you won't be getting good marks, okay, from this topic. So if it is written like element x belongs to A union B, okay, if somewhere is written that is element x belongs to A union B, it means the element x is present either in X or in set B. Okay, yes, the element x is belongs to either set A or set B. So x belongs to A, or yes, in the union operation we need to use conjunction or. Okay, yes, x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Okay, yes, now we'll come to the second part, that is x belongs to A intersection B. Okay, x belongs to A intersection B. This x is an element. Okay, and if it is written like x belongs to element x belongs to A intersection B, it means this element x is present in both the set, that is set A and set B. Okay, so wherever you see this intersection sign, you need to put conjunction and. Okay, that is x belongs to A and x belongs to B, that is element x is present in both the set. Fine, now we'll come to the third part. Okay, yes, this third part is very important. Okay, now x does not belong to A union B. Okay, here it is does not belong to. Okay, here it is does not belong to. Wherever you say does not belong to, simply change the conjunction. Okay, here it is union, so conjunction used should be or, but since here it is does not belong to, so the conjunction that we will use in union will be and, not or. Okay, element x does not belong to A union B. It means the element x does not belong to A and does not belong to B. Okay, in the same way, if it is written like x does not belong to A intersection B, okay, the element x does not belong to A intersection B, it means, yes, intersection means we need to use conjunction as and, but since it is does not belong to, so the conjunction that we will use in this conjunction, okay, the conjunction used in this intersection will be or. Okay, that is x does not belong to A or does not belong to x does not belong to B. Element x does not belong to A intersection B means the element x does not belong to A or the element B does not belong to B. Okay, if it is does not belong to, the conjunction used for this intersection will be or. Okay, yes, in the same way, if it is does not belong to case, then the conjunction used for this union will be and. Okay, now we'll come to the fifth part, that is x belongs to A. If it is x belongs to A, then it is x does not belong to A dash. Okay, if the element x is present in set A, then the element x does not present in the set A dash. Okay, yes, in the same way you can say if the element x is present in A dash, or you can say the element x belongs to A dash, then the element x does not belong to A. Okay, I hope these 2 points are very much clear to you. Okay, with this we'll come to the last part, most important part of this video. X belongs to A minus B. Okay, x belongs to, the element x belongs to A minus B. It means the element x is present in A but not in B. Okay, this means the element x is present in set A but not in set B. So we need to write this as element x is present, that is the element x belongs to set A and conjunction used is and. The element x does not belong to B. I repeat this, the element x the element x present in set A but not present in B. So the element x belongs to A and x does not belong to B. Okay, thank you so much.